Cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things.
Few moments later.
So hello travel buddies, let's start with the room tour. So of course first on the list is the toilet, so let's go check out the toilet. Okay, let's open the door. So of course we have the mirror and the sink. We have some hand towels there. So here they have like a skin booster body lotion, skin detox, hand and body wash. So they have a shower cup, sewing kit, vanity kit. So they have some dental kits, a magnifying mirror. So they have a hair dryer. They have another full-size mirror here, and they have the telephone. Okay, so the telephone, I think the purpose of this is for emergency. So for example, you had an accident in the toilet, you slipped, so you can call for help. So I think that's the reason. Am I correct, guys? So we have some tissue, a trash bin. We have a very clean toilet. We have the bidet, and we have this to hang the towel. So to hang your bathrobe and clothes. We have again some towels here. We have this okay, to hang your wet clothes, to hang them to dry. And there we have the shower. We have again here a hair shine shampoo, hair revive conditioner, skin detox, hand and body wash. We have a bathtub, and so that's it, guys. So next on the list is the closet. So let's go check out the closet. So they have a full-size mirror. Okay, let's open the first door. So they have an extra pillow there. They have some clothes hanger. They have an iron and an ironing board. So they have some 2 pieces of slippers for me and my wife. We have 2 pieces of shoe shine. And let's open the other closet. So there's a storage space there. Okay, they have a safe, of course, for your jewelries. They have a laundry bag, some storage space again here. So that's it, and let's go check this one. Okay, they have some storage, upper storage again there, and there's some mineral waters. They've given us 2 cups. Okay, they are environment friendly, so they've given us like recyclable cups. They have some black tea, okay, green tea, Coffee Mate, Nescafe Gold, and sugar, white and brown sugar. And they have an electric kettle. And here they have a mini fridge. So here you can store your shoes here. So you can store your luggage and bags here. And we have a television. Okay, so we have like a working station here. Okay, and we have a comfy seat here. We have a telephone, another mirror, storage space. And see, we have the window here. Let's open the window. Let's check out the view. So here's the view. And okay, there's a lampshade. Okay, there's a lazy chair here. Okay, there's a mini table. Okay, another telephone, lampshade, the king size bed. Okay, so that's it. And of course, for the finale, we'll do the bed softness check. So on the count of 3, let's jump and check out if the bed is soft. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the bed is soft. Passed.
7 hours later.
So travel buddies, I'm going to be attending the 7th birthday party of our inaanak, Sophia Grace. So the attire is formal. So I look like a hotel security guard. Continue to enjoy the video, guys.
the next day.
Good morning, travel buddies. We had a nice sleep last night and we'll go out now for an early morning walk so that we can see the view around the hotel, and then we'll head straight to the restaurant to have our buffet breakfast. So I'm going to show you the menu for today's breakfast. Okay, continue to enjoy the video, guys.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So good morning, we're here now in the mezzanine restaurant and I'm going to show you the buffet in the restaurant. So for my appetizer, this is what I took. So I took some Shanghai cheese, shellal cheese, labneh ball, olives, turkey ham, chicken mortadella, smoked mackerel, apricot compote, pear compote, some lettuce, and I have some mixed fruits, prune compote, and a cracker. And I got some orange juice and some detox water. So that's it for my appetizer, guys. So guys, for my main course, I took some fried chicken, baked beans, potato croquette, grilled tomato, stir fry beef, stir fry vegetable, sauteed mushroom, chicken sausage, full madamash, idli. So idli is like made out of rice, like a bread, but this is made of rice flour, and some turkey bacon. So that's it, guys.
Few moments later.
So after the morning breakfast, let's head out to the swimming pool.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show.
So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up, let me show you what's up. Cause in
Few moments later.
So it's 3 p.m. UAE time. It's time for a checkout, and hope you enjoy the vlog. And continue to please like, share, and subscribe to Angel's Travel TV at iba pa, so I can make more travel videos for you guys, okay? See you on the next vlog.